There's been a mixed impact of the day-long strike that's been called jointly by national level and road transport organizations against the Anti-People Road Transport and Safety Bill 2015. Organizations alleging that the NDA's plan to go ahead with the bill was aimed at helping it take over the transport sector from state governments and claiming the move smacked of authoritarianism. Most of state governments and road transport undertakings have also opposed it. But as we said, a mixed impact mainly felt in Bengal and Kerala and some impact in the national capital.
We're coming to you from the New Delhi railway station here in the national capital, where the impact of the taxi and auto strike can be seen the maximum here. People are protesting behind me. The union people are here out in full strength, protesting against the road safety bill. The constant sloganeering is that to take back the road safety bill. I'm joined by the president here. सर हमें बताइए कि यहाँ पर आप आज प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन लोगों को बड़ी कठिनाई भी हो रही है इसको करने में।
देखो हम भी समझ रहे हैं पब्लिक परेशान हो गई है पूरे हिंदुस्तान में। हमारे को भारत सरकार ने ही मजबूर करा हड़ताल करने पे और दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने ये वार्ता कर लेते, हमारे से तो ये नौबत नहीं आती। हम
यहाँ पर रोड सेफ्टी बिल इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा बोला जाता है। एक मिनट में हर 4 मिनट में एक मौत होती है रोड सेफ्टी की वजह से। आपको नहीं लगता है कि ये बिल आके? नहीं, हम लोग ये कह रहे हैं रोड सेफ्टी बिल है, अगर जो इसको कानून ठीक ढंग से लेके आए और हमारे से राय करे। ये नहीं है 1-1 लाख रुपए के जुर्माने लगा दो, 20-20 हजार के, 50-50 हजार, कहाँ से देंगे गरीब आदमी?
रोड सेफ्टी बिल
ये कहाँ से देंगे गरीब आदमी?
आपकी इस बारे में क्या बात हो रही है लोगों से? क्या ये सिर्फ एक ही दिन की स्ट्राइक है?
सिर्फ एक दिन की है। अगर सरकार ने बात नहीं करी हमारे से, फिर भारतीय मजदूर संघ पूरे देश में परमानेंट हड़ताल भी कराएगी।
All right, threatening almost that if in case their voices are not heard, this strike might continue. Let me show you visuals from here. This is the prepaid booth. On any normal day, this place would have long queues of people waiting to get a taxi to get back home. But today it's completely stranded. The booths are empty because none of the autos or the taxis have come in here to take to actually come in. I'm joined by another passenger here. Sir, tell us, how long have you been waiting really?
From last half an hour.
All right, and have you managed to get a taxi?
No, not yet.
All right, and what do you plan to do now?
No, I just booked Ola taxi, waiting for him Ola taxi to come.
Okay, so a lot of passengers, that's what they're doing because they do not find a taxi and an auto. Most are resorting to private taxis, but they're going to be much more expensive. And the load of this is actually going to go on the metros as well. With camera person Pavan in New Delhi, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.